Alright, we're back for the next Divine Trial. So we're just going to hit this in the auto clicker. Abdicate, abdicate. I didn't mean to grab two of these, it's fine. Yeah, we're just go for the temples here. And you just want to spam your temples. And so we got the Chicken God done. We're going to go to Gods of Nature. Divine Trials. We did the first one previous video, but I'm just going to explain here. We look at my guide here for the Goddess of Nature. The rules. Sorry about that. Religion of the Goddess of Nature is always active. 100% to ritual automation, 100 to ritual power. You can buy tiles for faith. ETH starts at 1 billion faith. ETH, you cannot build academies. Start from 6 tiles. Alright. So each one, we just got to start from 13, 16, and 19. So plus 3 tiles extra. The strategy here is go all wood, activate enough gold, focus on building. So, strategy here is all wood, activate enough gold, focus on building forest camps, quickly build up as much gold as loggers are cheaper, faster to obtain than workers for the wheat fields. Also, don't forget that you can boast their output back to religion, the whole wheat fields. Oh, don't forget that this can vastly improve application results. Unlike other strategies, it's recommended to use Gods of Nature, the Heritage, and the Legends of the Forest Pantheon. While taking faith won't be too viable option in the first trial. The second, third trials, faith can account for about half the purchases. Wow. Note the price of faith starts at 1 billion, cash out 150 trillion. I just have 7 purchases, price same for all for the purchases. Because the additional 100 powered automations, it's will perform maximum automation for lasting for almost 2 hours. Where there's enough faith to start the ritual with the rituals active. This is because the massive increase in rate for everything from additional power. It should be noted having only 1 temple before bringing the full round of rituals enough to fetch 1 tile. What? Still 1 temple, 2 or 3 full rituals. What the heck? So spamming these guys is apparently really good. I'm sorry, what? We're doing that. So you're like, what do you hate? Killing okay, so we're not killing monsters. That's a joke. Yeah, that's a that's a funny joke game. Like we're gonna be killing guys. So basically, we're just gonna be making to where, yeah, where that could last an hour. How should I get application? That's good enough application goal. We should buy these. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're at 10. At this point, we should probably be going for forest camps and a quarry and 1 temple. We're getting 1 temple, guys, for this strategy. I am intrigued to see because we can't kill stuff to open up stuff, which is fine. We're just gonna build forest camps. That is nothing. All right, so what did you say? So Goddess Nature Legends of the Forest. So this create heritage, yes. Okay, so we got that. Dang it. Legend of the Forest. Okay, so we're getting plus 3 wood from log for each temp, 2 face monk for each forest. Okay. Plus 1 wood per logger at forest camps, plus 10 higher speed for the forest. Forest camps require wood be built. I mean, the only problem is our wheat production currently. A full round of rituals. So there's your forest camps. Oh, I'm wondering why it's not taking so long, because we haven't even done you yet. I see it kind of weird. This weirdly bugs out randomly. I don't know how it's triggered. Um, yeah, the amount of guys we have in the temple is kind of insane. 1 billion faith. Oh, okay. So I think once it hits 50 seconds, it'll calculate how many times we pop the ritual, which is why we get the massive amount of guys. Holy crap! I haven't reset this guy yet. Holy. I mean, I don't know. I have this one active. I could. Should go for school here. If we abdicate, we're getting that much gold. Holy crap. This point is probably a cathedral. We could totally get ourselves a cathedral. It costs 10,000 gold. Then I'm gonna want to get that increased slightly. Um, so plus 1 faith per monk, plus 1 ritual power, ritual power automation. We could just go for this. Okay, that's enough. I can buy these 2 tiles. I need to get 16. I need to buy that. I mean, we need a million gold there. Um, I could have bought school. We should have bought school. Whoops. So yeah, I'll. This might be. I mean, we're already this far. I'm not even that far in the video. That's insane. Just summon this guy. I mean, come on. That is just insane. That's just duplicating our. Holy crap. Hold up. So 500 times 15. Hold up. Calculator. Alright, so. In order for the prog, we have 15 seconds going on. So we're at 500 times speed. Times 15. We need to be going for that long. So let's divide this by 60. We need to wait for 125 minutes. 60 again. I'm math wrong. Hold up. This means we're waiting for 2 seconds. I mean, that's about on average. Oh, we're gonna buy one of these, by the way. Um, 10 million faith. Okay. Let's get ourselves a school. Hey, we're gonna get another cathedral again. I might just get this again. Because we have a lot of loggers. This is a massive duplicate. What does this do? No. Holy crap. Better stop this. Yeah, we can't get that. We can't stop. Never stop auto hire there. That's an affordable amount of weed. Okay. Half the person. The missioner? Okay. Interesting. What about our tile? Huh. Can't buy our cathedral, don't have money. That's why in our school. Ah. That could. And then we need to buy one more tile with faith, costs 100 billion faith. Our wood production. Hmm. How long does it take to hire? That's about an hour. That's like a half a minute. I thought stop auto hire. That's a bit longer. Okay, at this point we can't buy anything else. Abdicate. Yeah, for more tile, right? Yep. See, this is for the first one. You only need one temple, which is fine. See, the missioner is recommended. Plus 5 faith for monks. Plus 5 followers. I guess I can see why missioner is recommended. We're going to cathedral afterward. Uh, we're just on the missioner, I guess. 1 million faith per second. Gosh darn, that's overpowered. And so, yes, it is like with cheat engine, this is kind of inefficient. Unless we reach like a very long trials. Let's get that. I don't realize that we're still doing the full amount of trial levels with too much faith. Digital's doing about as much work as picking Fairy Dam. As picking Forest Magic. Um, like if cheat engine worked, this might be more broken. I mean, holy crap. I feel dumb. I feel so dumb. Oh my word. I forgot to max that out. Oh, that's me best facepalm right there. Oh my word. Oh, wait, hold up. Boom. Okay, that's the same. We're trying to do the same thing on the last one, and we just need 3 more. I mean, come on, that is like another easy one we can just knock out of the park. Yeah, that's the fairy trial. Yeah, you can see how you can break this. So if you do this without cheat engine, it'd be preferable. You should have to wait a couple days, ease yourself. But that's an easy trial. You just gotta, a cheat engine is like half as efficient. You just gotta plan around it. But it is very possible to do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get this done. All right. I had this on for a while, about like 30 minutes. Yeah. Like this. We're doing pretty good on Pantheons. I think we should be able to just automate buying these now. Oh, that's actually a lot less expensive, more expensive than I thought it was. Whoops. I thought it was like 1.5 trillion, not 150 trillion. That's not good. That's 10 million gold. If we abdicate, we get a lot, but not nearly as enough as I wanted to be. That's a lot of faith. The only problem with that much faith is how long we're gonna have to wait. Well, I might AFK there for the next 2 hours, so hold up. Right now we do this. 104. Okay, so we're gonna pop the calculator. Alright, so 104 times, so times 4, so every minute we get that much. times every 60 minutes, we get that much. As by so I'll be gone for like 3 hours. That's a lot. One thing we're gonna do. Stop auto hire there. I can't reset these. At this point, we're just gonna do this. Our goal would be buy one of those to buy a farm. You do this, we get like a lot of bishops. That's a lot of gold, but we need these 10 million the next one, so we might as well buy the next one and then buy a tile. Oof. All right. We haven't started making for the billion faith yet. 61.796. Jeez. So each temple's getting 1 million faith per second. Insane. Yeah, the fact numbers go up to going just faster and faster the longer, the more we're doing this. If we did 100 million, that would be efficiently fast. We could probably buy the next two with faith. How much we get for this app game right now? 2.39 million. We're gonna grab it at our school. Also, I can't. These are auto hiring. No, they are auto hiring. We should probably do this. This will massively increase my wood production. I want to get that, but we can't really. Ritual automation is pretty bad. Ritual powered automation, sure. Yeah, this is just AFK in this for like a couple minutes. Like I said, Chi Engine can't. It's on its own internal timer, 15 seconds for Chi Engine. So yeah. And then it's just set to train workers when I need it. Maybe slightly slow down. 1.04 million. That's a lot of wheat. Actually spending. Oh, sorry, I just spent a billion. Faith now. I want to 80k. Okay. And now every 15 seconds we're in like 50k each. We can buy the next tile. We can buy another school, and then abdicate for the next one. They buy this. We can't. We buy it because each other might increase our faith production, but we buy it in our school. Okay. So we're at that much faith. 5 million faith. 7 million. Did we beat this? Plus 6%. Hmm. Oh wait, it's just 10 million gold. I'm an idiot. With this now, we think we're done. Here's what we're gonna do. It's that much to grind down the train, but I have an idea that will just work out just fine. We're just gonna build a couple temples. Since she is mega buffed with this, I might just yeah, I might just go for these schools here. Yep. So we're doing 100. We're doing 300 masons per full ritual. By the way, just want to clarify that. River Cathedral, or in our school, I guess. All right. Um. 'Kay, at this point, we can just spam this. $1,000. Okay. We're done here. And there we go. That is the Gods of Nature Trials. So again, the buffs you get from this: 20% word protection. Gods of Nature is chosen, which again, no decent one. That's not bad. Choosing her is also not a bad idea. We get +2 to ritual automation, so more automation for the rituals. Pretty good. And 10% wood production, +10 amber. Again, really good. So yeah, that's all hers. If like, please describe about hers were not as hard. We did have to wait a bit, but it wasn't as obnoxious as the cave guy. Again, like the more we waited, the faster we got to complete that. We didn't have to max out everything to finish her. She was just that easy. Oh yeah, my time zone was really past here. You just saw what I saw at the beginning. Yeah, you notice that's also again I recorded these prior, so not a lot of I don't see a lot of your comments. So yeah, if you're noticing how far this video back, that's how far, or like I might have already have this complete series done. So don't so if I would like nice comments. So if you want to tell me anything, just keep that in mind. I'm not gonna see it till much later, but yeah, we'll see. Though if you want to know about Chi Engine, how we can make the rituals just auto like, because the problem with the rituals is this one. I can't get this one working properly with Cheat Engine. If I can get this working properly with Cheat Engine, then this will be straight up broken. But I cannot, which is why this can't be like farmed to where we get like infinite monks. If the video, please subscribe. Next episode, We gotta finish up the last god to do. Well, our last current god we have equipped right now. If you please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.